Hello, I'm Shin. I'm not sure if this is still the same part video or second one, but today we'll mount back our Audi engine. And as you can see, because in previous video we had a problem with the sprouts, or in the same video, I'm not sure. But I found out that I can just unscrew this part from here, and I bought a new one. I mean, not new one, used, but in good shape. I cleaned this a little, and I will just mount this because here bolts are fine. Yeah, and that's what I will do now. Okay, now we'll mount timing. That probably I just screwed up. But I decided to put this new time chain because this old one has some marks already, as you can see. But I saw it now. I don't know who did that, but yeah, he did a bad job. First, here is a dot, and this is complicated later because you must open this. Oh, here you have 1 and 2, and then pull this, and there will be a mark. Okay, let me show you. I will not show you, sorry, because it's heavy access. I did it off camera, sorry for that. But you can see this in the internet. Maybe I will find it, so probably now you'll see a photo of that. And yeah, somehow this must be with the same position. My little tip, when you have this one, as you can see, it must go something like bottom and right a little. For me it's like for a finger, as you can see. Also I have a little help because I have already marked here. Somebody marked this one good, so I'm glad to do that. And another part, here you have a gear and you must rotate this one, but when you're rotating it you must look here. There, I will mark this, and there is, do you see it? A mark. And it must be in the straight line with the body. And other thing is the last, yes, probably the last one. Here is a 1 dot, and this dot must be with this arrow. And later when you will pull a timing belt, you will need this one. You going this way, and then you have here 2 dots, and just rotate this. I will also try to change this. I will see if I will able to do this now, or not, but you will see a video of that. Okay, so see you later. Because as you can see I have a new one and I wanted to change this, but some bad guy, I will call him like this, as you can see this brown thing, it's a glue. He glued this I can't name it, but he glued it, and now I have a problem to pull it out. I know what tool I can use to put this out, but I don't have it. I have one, but it's too big. I can show you. It's something like this. Here is 1 bolt, and here are hooks. And hooks you must catch here, and the last one will go here, and then you can pull this out. But as you can see, I have this one too big. I don't have actually a money to buy a smaller one, and I want to finish already this car, so I will leave this one because he's still in a good shape. It's rotating well, so glad that I don't need to change it. I just wanted to change it to look like a brand new, you know. I'm changing already everything, so I wanted this also, but there is no need, so I will leave this like it is. Now, if timing bell don't rotate than 45 degrees, then a timing belt is wired well. Now all we need to do is just to mount the rest. Okay, so sorry, but I made a big mistake because I was setting this up for 2 liter motor, but I have 1.8, and most of things that you saw was wrong. Maybe not most, but 2 ones. Okay, now I will explain what we will do. This wheel we must set like it is, and then we must put this is 0. Hope you will see. There is a 0, and now I will take off a driving belt, and this dot must be here, like head of cylinder. I don't know why here is this arrow. This is a mistake, because this is not for this motor. This is for 2-liter motor. And when we did this, okay, I will tell you later. Okay, and now when here is this dot, and this is still set on 0, you must set it on 1. So for that we will spin a rotor this way till we see there one. Okay, it looks like this one. It's just a mark alignment, straight line. And now is the worst part, because we must set off everything, and I will back to you when I will do this. Yeah, and now we must again loose timing belt and set this on Mark 1 into correct position. Just like this. Mark alignment like a finger. Okay, I already started it. As you can see, we did it, yes. Everything works. Look how gratefully this works. Okay, let me turn this off. Yeah, so this will be all. I will just put a cover on the place, and that's all. So, thank you for watching. I'm Shin, and see you in the next videos. Bye.